Right off the bat, let me tell you right now that that thumbnail is not clickbait. It actually happened in this cook, and you're gonna see the moment that it happened in this video, and most importantly, you're gonna see how I dealt with it. So make sure you keep watching. Let's get to the grill setup. I'm using my baskets on either side of the grill. I got them filled with hot coals right now, and I'm leaving a space in the middle for my salt block. I'm not gonna get into all of the details of that right now because I've already done a video. I'm gonna show a link to that at the end of this video. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and get this salt block on and get it heated up while I go inside and smash some burgers, man. All right, so I've already mashed my burgers out, got them all seasoned up, and I want to take a minute to shout out to David Russell, aka Uncle Dave. He sent me a sample of an all-purpose rub that he made from scratch, and I used it on these burgers, man, and it was fantastic. Real good stuff, baby. Appreciate you, man. All right, so let's get the burgers onto the salt block. It's fully heated up right now. It should be doing like 450, 500 degrees at the least. We're just gonna let them cook for a few minutes on one side, then I'll come back. Get on there. All right, I'm back. It's time to flip these burgers, and so we get them turned over. Now this is where I get my little grease fires. Basically what happened is the grease started to pool on top of the salt block and then spill over the sides. Now right under my salt block is my baskets full of hot charcoal. You'll understand why they're underneath there once you see the other video that I'm going to be posting a link to at the end of this one. But basically, the grease dropped on the coals, flared up and everything. It was no big deal, really. It looks bad, but it was no big deal. You can see I'm going right on about my business, cooking and everything. I was worried more about the salt block than I was about the food or anything else. But because I know that when you have a grease fire flare up like that in your kettle grill, all you got to do is put the lid on. You're going to starve the fire of oxygen if you put the lid on, and it'll calm down pretty quickly. So I was able to move on relatively quickly, move on with the cook. Nothing was harmed, nothing was burned up or anything. So at this point, man, the cook is pretty much done. You know, I'm just putting some cheese on there, letting it melt a little bit, stacking the patties like you do with smash burgers. And then I'm gonna put the lid on there, let them go a little bit more, let everything melt together. But otherwise, this cook is done, buddy.